Hello everyone, welcome back. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell us in the comments, do you order food often? Today, too much food. I go to a restaurant. I sit down. I look at the menu. Very hungry. I see many things. Burger, fries, drinks. I say, I order a burger and fries. More. I order more. Drink. Another burger. Again.
Too hungry. You order and order. No, stop.
Yes. I look at the table. I think, too much. The food comes. 1 plate. 2 plates. Many plates.
Big order. Small person. Big food. Problem.
I start to eat. I eat, eat, fast. I eat more. 1 bite, 2 bites, slower. I stop. I look. Still food. Too full.
You order. You eat. You stop. Late.
I look at the table. Too much food. Still full. I can't eat. I call the waiter. I say, "Can I take this?" Ask.
Good idea. Don't waste. Take home. Smart.
The waiter smiles. Yes, 1 moment. Okay. He brings a box. I put food, burger, fries, inside. I close the box. I take it, bag in hand. Good.
Now 2 meals. Eat now. Eat later. Perfect.
Yes. I eat. I stop. I take home. I go home. Bag in my hand, food inside, ready. I open the door. I go in. I put the bag. Home. I take the box. I open. I look. Again.
Again. You eat. You stop. Now again.
Yes. I sit. I eat. Warm again. I eat slowly. 1 bite. 2 bites. Good. I stop. Full again. Very full. Too much.
Same story. Order. Eat. Stop.
Yes. Next time, I order less. Better. I finish the food. I sit. I don't move. Too full. I try to stand. Slow. Very slow. Hard.
Too much food. You eat. Now no move. Classic.
I stand a little. 1 step. I stop. Oh. I sit again. Chair. Back. Better.
Good choice. Stop. Don't move. Wait.
I take a breath. Slow. Deep. Okay. I say, no more food. I stop. Done.
Next time, order less. Eat less. Maybe.
Yes. Now I sit. I wait. No move. I sit on the chair. Too full. No move. Oh. I look at the table. I see water, clear glass, drink. I take the glass. slow, careful. Okay.
Good step. Drink water. Feel better. Simple.
I drink water. 1 sip, 2 sips. Better. I drink more. Slow, small sips. Good.
Not fast. Slow drink. Small sips. Better.
I sit back. I breathe. Deep. Okay. Now I can move. Small move. Step. Better. I sit and feel better. Not too full. Not too bad. Okay. I look at the glass. Water. Simple. Helpful. I say, drink water after eat. Small rule. Good.
Easy idea. Eat, then drink. Better.
Before, I eat a lot. No water. Too full. Now, I eat. I drink. Better.
Small change, big help. Always true.
Yes. Order. Eat. Stop. Drink. Balance. I stand up again. I try to walk 1 step. Very slow. I walk step, step, like a turtle.
Slow walk. Too much food. Slow body. Always.
I hold my stomach. Careful. Small steps. Oh. I walk to the door. Not fast. Very slow. Almost.
Good try. Move a little, then stop. Okay.
I stop. I breathe deep. Better. I walk again. Step, step. Slow, but okay.
Not fast, but moving. That is enough. Good.
Yes. Eat, drink. Now walk. Slow life. I walk slowly. Step, step. Better. I breathe. Slow, deep. Good. I say, walk after eat. Small rule, helpful.
Good idea. Eat, then walk. Better.
Before, I eat and sit. No move. Too full. Now, I eat. I walk. Better.
Small change, big help. Always. True.
Yes. Order. Eat. Drink. Walk. Balance. So maybe the question is simple. After you eat, do you walk or sit? Do you walk after you eat? Do you move or stop? Tell us. If you like this video, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and write in the comments, do you walk after you eat?
Thank you for listening. See you next time.